Good morning. My name is Jennifer Astrid Tamaka Quiroga. I am 31 years old. I am event decorator. I am married Aison. I come from Convita. My family. My husband Aison. He is 38 years old. He is architect. My doctor Mafe. She is 7 years old. And the twins Joseph and Allison. She is girl Allison. She is 10 months. The child is Joseph. She is 10 months. I am cheerful, amorous, and comprehensive. I like to ride a horse. I like to dance. I don't like to eat spicy. I don't like driving a car. Daily routine. I get off 5 o'clock. I make breakfast. I order my doctor Mafe on the ruta escolar. Clean the house. I am prepare lunch. I take of the twins. She is Allison and Joseph. I helped with tasks of my doctor Mafe. I prepare the food. Sleep the twins. She is girl Allison and the child is Joseph. Thank you. That is my routine.